Hi everyone, and welcome back to Depicter channel. Today you're going to learn how to add a subscribe form on your WordPress website in a few simple steps. Let's get going. In the WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then Add Plugin. Search for Depicter. There it is. Install and activate it. Head to Depicter. And in the dashboard, select the Popup category, then the Grow Email List subcategory. Choose one of the Popup templates and import it. Grab this 100% coupon to have Depicter Pro for free and leave a comment to let everyone know. Otherwise, the Pro account will be taken away from you. When you select the subscribe field, you can see that it is one of the many form fields available which you can use. I'm just going to change the color of this subscribe button and the close button to match the look of the website. Now go to Options on the top left, then General, and enable the Display Backdrop option. Give the backdrop a color and reduce the opacity if you want. That's better. Head to Publish, then Publish Now, and open Display Rules to control when and how the website visitors see the pop-up. Go to Triggers. I'm going to enable the scroll percentage to set the pop-up to appear after the visitor scrolls to the specified percentage of the page. 60% is fine. Now publish. Let's check out the result. I'm scrolling until the pop-up appears. And there you go, the pop-up looks fine on the website. Let me just enter a couple of emails as an example to test it. Let's see where they go. Head back to Depicter dashboard. You can see the emails in Leads or by clicking on these three dots, then Leads to see the emails. You can also download them as a CSV. Ciao!